back to Joe and Di's Allotment channel. As we've said before, we like to show you how we grow stuff and how we sort of use it afterwards. So what we're going to do today is make a veggie balls that goes nicely with pasta sauce or spaghetti, or you can even have them cold as a snack. So they're quite nice. We're going to use one of our pumpkins. We've had a really good crop this year of squashes, pumpkins, marrows, butternut squashes. So this is one of the ways we use some of our stock up. It's quite a simple recipe. Doesn't involve any oil. These are baked in the oven afterwards, so they're quite nutritious and healthy as well, low in calories. So what I'll do is I'll cut up the pumpkin first, and we'll shred it. We need about 2 cups for this recipe. So this is a kakai pumpkin, which has the green edible seeds in, and you can eat them like this actually. They're quite tasty. Or we do dehydrate them as well. I'll put a link in the description actually, because we've done this video on this before, how we've grown kakai pumpkins and taken out the seeds for dehydration. So what I'll do is I'll scrape out the seeds next. So we've used about half the pumpkin. We've got a jar full of pumpkin seeds, which we need to process and dry out. We've got to clean them up first though. But they are edible like this, but a lot better when they're dried out. But they're the green ones, which are lovely. So next thing we need to do is actually shred the pumpkin. We need about 2 cups or about 700 grams. So we'll do that next. So it's taken about 500 grams of the pumpkin to get about 2 cups of shredded pumpkin. Just run through the ingredients next. So we're using 1 can of kidney beans and 1 cup of kidney beans and 1 cup of chickpeas. The juice of half a lemon, 1 small red onion, about 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of oats, and then we've got 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, and salt and pepper to taste. So what I'll do is I'll chop up the onion and the garlic in the processor, then add the chickpeas and pulse it all together, and then we'll just put it all into a bowl, mix it all together. So that's the beans and the onion and garlic with the lemon juice added as well, just to help it blend a bit better. That all goes into a bowl. It's all nicely mashed together now. So that's the beans, garlic, onion and lemon juice in the bowl after it's all been blended together in the food processor. So it's just a matter of adding all the other ingredients now. So 1 cup of oats, 2 cups of pumpkin or courgette or butternut squash, whatever you've got the most of really. And then just add the oregano, the basil, nutritional yeast and salt and pepper. I'll put a title card at the end with all the ingredients in it as well for you. It's just a matter of mixing all that together. So it's just a matter of now forming it into balls. Try and get them as uniform as possible. And then they go into the oven and baked at 25 to 30 minutes at about 190 degrees Celsius. And they should get sort of crispy on top. And they're lovely, as I said earlier, with pasta sauce or alternatives to meatballs and spaghetti, or they're quite nice cold as a little snack as well. So that's made 25 lovely veggie balls. So we'll cook those and we'll show you again what they look like after they're cooked, and we'll come back a bit later when they're cooked. So the veggie balls have been cooking for about 20-25 minutes. They're nice and firm, lovely. So it's a good way of using up some of your stored pumpkin squashes, butternut squashes. Makes a lovely, delicious meatball alternative. Like, as we said earlier, you can use it in pasta, spaghetti, or you can put it into a pita bread, or you can even have it cold with salad. So it works either way. Hope you give it a try. Give us a thumbs up, or leave us a comment if you ever go and make it yourself, and give it a go. They're delicious.